Today we will learn this stabilization effect and some motion tracking to stick anything onto a moving object in the video. So, I have this clip in Fusion page. Let's start by adding a tracker node. And try to track his nose. Hit the track forward button. You can see the tracking here in this little box. Unfortunately, the tracker had lost its target while tracking. We can check it by going to the Operation tab. And by changing the operation mode to Match Move. If we change the merge mode to background only, his nose should stay still at one location only. But in some frames the tracker lost the target. This happened because of the shadow of his hand. You can see the shadow falling on his face. This is creating trouble. So, let's reset the tracker and try to track this black dot. Because the tracker needs a high contrast area to track properly. Keep checking this little box to see if the tracker lost the target object and starts tracking another things in the video. You can see the tracking is done. Now change the operation mode to Match Moves and the merge mode to background only. This time it's looking fine. If you see these transparent edges, you can fix this by changing the edge type from here. You can try these 4 options. I think this mirror option is the best. You can also use a transform node to fix these edges. Let me reset the edges first. Now add a transform node. And increase the size of the video. Let's increase it a little more. And now it's looking fine. You can see this stabilization effect. Now you can add any logo or text on this video. Let me delete this transform node. You can use this green foreground input to add any text or logo. I have this PNG of a hat. Just connect it with this green input. And with this tracker node selected, change the merge mode to foreground over background option. Now we can use a transform node to adjust the position of the hat. And this hat will follow the movement of the face of this man. This is not the final video, you have to do some compositing to match the hat with the scene. But this is how you can track motion and connect another logo or text to it. So, I hope you find this video useful. See you in another video. Thanks for watching.